Hey everybody, it's Ed here for the ARTyRV channel. And what we're gonna do, I have a lot of questions about, well Ed, when you're doing these windows, how do you flip them over without breaking things? Well, I tell you, I've done a couple different things with this window and I'll explain it to you. If you see the body on the boat or the main boat has what most people will call hinge joints in it because they're all running horizontal. Well, to eliminate that problem with the hinge joints, if you notice, this piece on the bow runs completely through vertical, and this piece of the greenery runs through vertical. So that eliminates all of these hinge joints whatsoever. And then of course we'll be putting vertical rebars on this window. But let me just show you how to flip this over. So I've always, you do it quick, you don't lollygag with it. And what you have to do is you just pull it out, get your hands underneath of it and keep it kind of picked up, and then you just pick it up. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit wobbly right now, but as soon as I flip it around and lay it back down and putty this side, it'll all be good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna turn this around, just like that, a little bit at a time. Now remember, I've already puttied or waterproof the other side. So now my main thing is I just need to flip it over just like that. And you have to do it quick because actually when you're laying it down, there's a tiny bit of air gets trapped underneath of it, and it actually does help you lay that down successfully.